Season 1 of Manufacturing Maestro reminds us of Mr. Karan Gudale,
cast for aluminum, who started his company as a small job shop in early 2004 along with Mr. Tukaram More. Today,
he is a leading manufacturer in aluminum die casting. We, UCAM, in collaboration with machine maker, were able to celebrate his journey and felicitate him as a manufacturing maestro.
Bengaluru Edition showed us what the Season 2 is capable of, which got all the room thinking. 9 maestros were recognized for their careers and the contribution towards the industries. We left Bangalore with a lot of energy and anticipation for what will be coming next. At UCAM, engineering excellence exactly is just not a tagline. It's a standard we hold ourselves every single day. Being India's largest manufacturer in CNC rotary and tilting table, Manufacturing Maestro feels the right community for us to stand behind. To our partners and customers, this evening is for the community we have been building together. Come join us in Pune on 6th of August.